Get ready to witness an astronomical phenomenon like never before. On April 8, 2024, a total solar eclipse will sweep across North America, promising a breathtaking display in the sky. This eclipse will be longer, darker, and more dynamic than the 2017 eclipse, offering a rare opportunity for millions to witness one of nature's most awe-inspiring spectacles. Join us as we delve into why this eclipse is such a big deal. From the moon's unique orbit to the sun's heightened activity, we'll explore the science behind this celestial event and why it's a must-see for casual observers and scientists alike. Don't miss out on this extraordinary event that won't happen again for another 20 years. Tune into our channel for all the latest updates and information on the 2024 total solar eclipse. Solar eclipses are already dramatic events, but the total eclipse set to occur on April 8th will take the experience to a whole new level. Compared to the last total eclipse that crossed the United States in 2017, this year's event will last longer, darken the sky more profoundly, and showcase a much more dynamic sun. Additionally, millions more people will have the opportunity to witness one of the most astounding astronomical events of their lives, right from their own front doors. One of the reasons for this eclipse's exceptional nature is its duration and the sun's activity level. In April, the moon will be at a point in its orbit that brings it unusually close to Earth, making it appear larger. This means that for those in the path of totality, where the moon completely blocks the sun's disk, the eclipse will be notably darker, and will last for nearly 4.5 minutes, almost 2 minutes longer than the Great American Eclipse of 2017. Furthermore, the sun will be close to solar maximum in 2024, the peak of its roughly 11-year activity cycle. This means that there will be a higher level of solar activity, resulting in bright, petal-like streamers of plasma extending from the sun's outer atmosphere, known as the corona. The increased solar activity also raises the chances of a coronal mass ejection, a large puff of hot gas blasted away from the sun's surface. The longer duration of the eclipse and the heightened solar activity will not only provide a better viewing experience but also present a significant opportunity for scientists. With more telescopes, sensors, and satellites available to study the sun than ever before, researchers will be able to gather valuable data during this rare event. Even casual viewers should be able to observe the streamers and a coronal mass ejection if it occurs. In terms of the eclipse's path, nearly 32 million people will be inside the path of totality, about 2.5 times as many as during the 2017 eclipse. Major East Coast metropolitan areas from Baltimore to Boston are all about 200 miles from the path of totality, making the eclipse very accessible to the bulk of the U.S. population. The eclipse will be visible to some degree in every U.S. state, as well as portions of northwestern Mexico and southeastern Canada. The 2024 eclipse's path will also be beneficial for researchers studying charged particles high in the atmosphere using radar. Unlike the last two North American eclipses, this year's path passes within the observing range of 3 radars in the worldwide superdual auroral radar network. These radars monitor the ionosphere, which can affect radio signals and the accuracy of GPS systems. Studying the ionosphere during an eclipse can help scientists better understand how the sun generates it and its impact on communications. In terms of scientific study, several experiments planned for 2024 will benefit from the eclipse, with some being repeats from past eclipses featuring updated instrumentation. Improved cameras and spectrometers, for example, will offer detailed views of the corona close to the sun's surface. The longer viewing time of this eclipse will provide an opportunity for these experiments to gather higher quality and quantity of data. Once this year's eclipse concludes, there will not be another major eclipse over North America for a while. The next eclipses will occur in Alaska in 2033 and primarily over Canada in 2044. Followed by one crossing the United States and eastern South America in 2045. Every total solar eclipse yields new discoveries, making each one an important event for scientific study. If you're fortunate enough to be in the path of totality for the 2024 eclipse, or even within range of the partial eclipse, this is an astronomical event you won't want to miss. Experience the wonder of the 2024 total solar eclipse, a celestial event of a lifetime. Mark your calendars for April 8th, and witness the sky come alive with a longer, darker eclipse and a more dynamic sun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of science and astronomy. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up.